per day.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, as always, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. But let's start here with the Nasdaq100, and let's start by analysing yesterday's movement. What a finish to the trading session it was. We ended up 2% despite the hotter than expected inflation figure coming in at 8.2% versus 8.1% expected. So slightly hotter than expected, and of course that caused the dollar to surge, the 10-year yields to surge. And, in response to that, the stock market did plummet. And I think stocks did slump as low as 10,439. Over on the S&P 500, we went down to 3,500. And, again, this is one of the benefits of joining my free analysis group, because over on my Telegram group yesterday, I did put a message out saying that one could not rule out moving the S&P 500 down to 3,500 if the CPI reading did come in hotter than expected. But you would also know, if you are part of my free analysis group, that I've been super bullish, calling for this massive rally to occur, a rip your face off rally to occur in the month of October up until the month of December. And I feel like this is the start of it. I think that what we're getting here is that ABC correction phase now. We've just finished here in Nasdaq100 this 5-phase Elliott wave structure, and I feel like we're going to now go and form this ABC phase where we work up towards around 12,000, perhaps even 12,400 in the coming weeks and months. So I'm super bullish here. Also, just want to start by saying a massive congratulations to everyone who's on my paid signal group. I sent out a buy signal yesterday on Nasdaq100 to buy 11,000, and earlier on this morning we closed that trade in profit. So well done to everyone who is on my paid signal group over at dailymarketmovements.com. So for the coming sessions, I do expect this bounce to continue towards the upside. Big question is as well, after forming this beautiful looking hammer candlestick, which is historically and technically a very bullish sign, was that the bottom? Was that the capitulation that we've all been looking for, where the VIX spikes? I don't really think so, because the VIX didn't really spike that much yesterday, which was very, very odd. One very interesting fact, that the previous 11 bear markets, when they have bottomed and come to an end, the VIX has always spiked above 40. At this moment in time, we're nowhere near 40. So do I think that this is the bottom? Potentially not. And, I want to quickly cover on what causes the bottom of a bear market. It's two things, guys. It's either the fundamentals change, which we know isn't the case here because inflation will come in hotter than expected. So we know that the fundamentals haven't changed. There's cracks in the financial systems occurring over in the UK. So if anything, the fundamentals have changed for the worse, especially with what's going on between Ukraine and Russia. So we can rule that out. And the second being is that stocks become so cheap that investors just cannot afford to not buy them anymore. And I think that we're getting there, but I don't think we are quite there just yet. I feel like we still need to wait a little bit longer for us to get to that point. And I think fair value in the Nasdaq100 is down at around 10,000 to 9,500. So very interesting, but I feel like we still have a little bit further to go here on the downside. Also, I just want to show you that in the Nasdaq100, we did actually just hit the 0.5% fib retracement from those COVID lows. So if I just quickly bring up that fib retracement chart, and we take it to those highs that we achieved back in November last year, we pretty much hit bang on, sorry, not the 0.5, the 0.61 fib. And over in the S&P 500, we hit the 0.5. So some significant technical movements here in the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. So I feel like we still have lower to go here for the Nasdaq 100, but I do believe in the coming months we will have a nice rally up towards at least a 50-day EMA and that next fib area, which is up at around 11,789. So short-term buy here, medium to longer term, I am cautious, as I still do believe we haven't got to that capitulation phase yet.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.